on this computer. All right, so we're gonna quit. I'm gonna quit this too. All right. I'm gonna quit so many other things. And I'll share screen desktop and admit all. And then that's it, mute all. Yeah, good to go. All right. So last lesson we did passage 1 and passage 2. As part of your homework, I gave you what? A passage 3 about first. Now today we're going to do a passage 3 and passage 1. But instead of starting with passage 3, why don't we start with an easier one? All right. We're going to start with an easier one. It's called passage 1, history and production of chocolate. So as you can see, the more types of questions you have, the more difficult it gets. The more types of questions you have, the more difficult it gets. Now, is it possible to start third? Again, I gave you the explanation. All right, the explanation is that why don't we start with the easier one, and that gives you, I think, a sense of fulfillment, sense of satisfaction, I believe, right? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, guys. The history and production of chocolate. I think the title is self-explanatory, so I can go to the questions. Whether the passage is going to be easy or difficult depends on the number of questions. I believe the more types of questions, the more difficult, I believe, because your attention, your focus is divided. For example, this one has 3 types of questions: true, false, not given. They are always in order. Notes completion, they are in order. Flowchart in order too. So let's read in each question and find one word we cannot miss. A climate with seasonal variation in temperature is ideal for growing cacao tree. If there is variation, if there is change, that's ideal, they're saying. It's likely that Olmec Indians were the first people to cultivate. Were they first people or not? The location of Azteca homeland meant they had to obtain cocoa from elsewhere. They had to obtain mashal Aztecani joyi tufayli ular boshqa joydan olgan kakao anaqalarini, donlarini. The Aztecani boshqargan odamlar, rulers demanded heavy taxes from their subjects. Ular bosh subjectlardan heavy tax so'raganmi, so'ramaganmi? Drinks made from cacao beans were widely consumed by ordinary Aztecs, and also drinks also. So, history of chocolate, one word only. All right, har doim instruction e'tibor beramiz. Bu savol turida 3 ta narsa yana e'tibor berasiz, yodingizda tutarsiz. Grammar, collocation, and logic, right? Spanish explorers introduced chocolate drink in the 16th century. Right? Ingredients added to reduce something. Reduce kalit so'z bu yerda. Reduce. Qisqartirish o'rniga cut. Shunga o'xshagan so'z kelishi mumkin. Chocolate houses established in England for social. Bizga o'z-o'zidan sifat kerak. And something in other activities. All right. Englishman who was something creates first known edible chocolate. Okay, who was a doctor, maybe someone. A Dutch scientist invents process. Okay, we keyword here, Dutch scientist invents process leading to the creation of the chocolate something. All right. Many English producers provide a variety of facilities for something. And finally, the chocolate manufacturing process, I wouldn't really read it myself. If I was in the exam, I would just read the title. That would be enough. After being separated from the pods, cacao beans are something naturally, mechanically. Beans then do something to create distinctive tastes. And finally, a heat produces something. All right? Ho'p, mana bu savoldagi 11 dan 13 ga tabiiyki o'zi title aytib turibdi. Qachon manufacturing process haqida gapirsa qaraymiz. Hozir mana bu ikkita passage 1da chronologik, ayniqsa tarix haqida gapirsa, do'stlar, tarix haqida gapirsa, chronological orderda ketadi. O'shaning uchun uncha qiyin ham bo'lmaydi. Chunki mana 16, 17, 18 chunki biza birinchi bir narsa kashf qilinib, keyin undan pastroq darajasi kashf qilinmaydi-da. Har doim birinchi osonidan, keyin mana qo'limizda ishlayotgan telefon shu holatga yetib kelgunicha oddiyroq ko'rinishidan boshlab kelgan, to'g'rimi? Xuddi shunaqa bu yoqda ham chronologik orderda bo'lgani uchun oson bo'ladi, xudo xolasa. The climate of tropical rainforest combines great quantities of rainfall with higher year-round temperatures. This results in perfect conditions for the cultivation of cacao tree that's being derived. Mana birinchi savol javob chiqdi. Birinchi savol javobini birinchi savolga qarab bilsangiz bo'ldi. What's the answer for first question? Hop, ko'pchiligimiz true tanladik. Ko'pchilik true tanlagani to'ppa-to'g'ri. Chunki tropical rainforestlarda nima bor ekan? Okay, kamerani o'chirib qo'yaylik, Zafar. Zafar, can you turn off your camera? Zafar, can you please turn off your camera? Yes. Turn off your camera. All right. All right. So climate of tropical rainforest combines great quantities of rainfall. Demak, bu yoqda aytyapti, mana bu rainfall bilan yog'ingarchilik bilan birgalikda namlik ham bo'ladi. Bu esa perfect conditions. Perfect conditions means ideal. Growing so'ziga sinonim topaylikchi. Growing so'ziga sinonim. Growing so'ziga. Growing sinonimiga cultivation. Exactly, cultivation. So the answer is going to be true. All right, the answer is going to be true. This tree has grown in the wild in Central America for about 1,000 years. The Olmec Indians, whose civilization flourished in what's now modern Mexico, are believed to have been the first to grow the beans as a domestic crop. All right, so javob bor. Bizda ikkinchi savol javobi ham bor. Ikkinchi savol javobi nima bo'ldi shunda, do'stlar? Ikkinchi savol javobi. Ikkinchi savol javobiga hammayoni kutamiz. False, true, hamma har xil javob tanlayapti. Izozat false javob tanladilar. True, false. Oybegam, Bikajonim. Xo'p, Olmec Indianlar birinchi marta daraxtni o'stirgan odamlar. True emasmi? Birinchi odamlar domestic crop sifatida o'stirgan. Nima not given bilyapsizlar? True, I think the answer is true. What's wrong with that? All right, on a job, I tipped birinchi to have been the first to grow cacao beans. I think it's obviously true. What makes it not given or false? Nimasi xato uni? Okay, shunga teskari gap aytdim, bular ikkinchi bo'lib anaqa qilgan dedimi? Yana bir marta aniqlashtirish mumkinmi? Nega true? Mana aytyapti, yana boya aytdik. Yog'in rainforestlarda ikki xil sifatda o'z ichiga olgan. Rainforest bizda yo'q O'zbekistonda. Mana Braziliyalarda bor. Bu yoqda yog'ingarchilik ko'p bo'lar ekan, shu bilan yil davomida namlik bo'lar ekan. Bu esa perfect conditionsga olib keladi degani, ideal degani. Shuning uchun true bo'ldi. Ikki nima uchun true bo'lyapti? Olmec Indianlar ularning sivilizatsiyasi hozirgi Janubiy Meksikaga to'g'ri kelar ekan. Ular birinchi bo'lib o'stirgan ekan, domestic crop qilib. Qarang, do'stlar, biz siz bilan o'tgan safar ham gaplashdik. True, false, not given'da bitta so'zcha ma'no bir xil bo'lib turgan joyda bitta so'zni olib bir narsalar test qilmaydi, sizni aldashga harakat qilish degan narsa yo'q. Faqat ma'noniga qaraysiz. Yes, Olmec Indians are the first people. So the answer is going to be true. All right? Hope, davom etamiz. The cacao tree was worshipped by Mayan people of Central America. Ular vashi worship qilgan degani juda hurmat qilgan, zo'r narsa degan. The origin of cacao, divine origin, which the early explorer names as cacao, it actually mean good God food. It means God food. Mayans brewed spicy, bittersweet drink by pounding cacao beans with maize and chili peppers and letting the mixture ferment. This drink was reserved for use in traditional ceremonies as well as drinking by wealthies and priests. All right. So it was drinking by priests who also ate the porridge made from the beans. So it looks like drinks made from cacao was not by ordinary citizens, but it was drink by priests. So it looks like 5 is 6, which is quite extraordinary, right? Sal noodatiroq, chunki birdaniga 5-chi savol javob kelib qoldi. Bizga Aztek bir narsalar haqida kelmadi. Davom etaveramiz. Agar menimcha hozircha 5 shu joydan ham bo'lib qolishi mumkin, chunki 5 ta javobi false chiqyapti, to'g'rimi? Hamma Azteklar ham ichgan deyapti, oddiy odamlar ham. Bu yerda faqat boylar bilan bunaqa religious odamlar ichgan. In about 1280, Aztecs of central Mexico were introduced to cacao beans and came to highly prize them. Bu odamlar vashshe yoqdi ularga. Aztec, central Mexicoda Azteclarga yoqdi. But because they lived at more arid, high aridness, not suitable for cacao, they had to acquire the beans through trade or by force. Ular qanaqa qilib oldiryapti? Yoki trade orqali, yoki nima qilib oldi? Yo'qda. It's not given emas, Otabek. Qarang, o'zi mana chiqib turibdi-ku. Ular Northda yashagani uchun kakao daraxtini o'stira olmagan. Shuning uchun kakao donlarini qanaqa olgan ular? Yo savdo orqali olgan yoki kuch ishlatib olgan. Bu yoqda aytyapti, ular kakao daraxtini, barglarini, donlarini boshqa joydan olgan deyapti. Shuning uchun javob nima bo'ladi? True bo'ladi, true do'stlar. Siz unaqa logikalar qidirib tashlang. Ma'no bo'lsa bo'ldi, 3 ta true bo'lsa ham farqi yo'q uni. Sizda text evidence bormi, tanlayverasiz. Uni farqi 3 ta true bo'ladimi, 5 ta true bo'ladimi? All right, you need evidence. The Aztecs used cacao beans as currency. Ular currency sifatida anaqa ishlatdi. Tax were paid in the beans to their rulers. In fact, Aztec royal treasury consisted not of precious metals, but of cacao beans. The Aztecs also enjoyed beverage made from the beans, and this again featured prominently in rituals as a luxury available only to the very wealthy. Mana keldi javob. Mana bu 5 javobi, to'g'rimi? Endi 5 javobi keldi. Boya ketma-ket haqiqatan ham keldi. Chunki mana bu yerda currency esa mana bu 4 ga nisbatan ishlatyapti. Taxes so'zi mana bu yerda 2 ta javob ham keldi ketma-ket. Xo'p, 4 mana buni olib tashlayman. 4 bilan 5 ta javoblar nima bo'ldi shunda, do'stlar? 4 bilan 5 ta javoblari ketma-ket. 5 ta false tanlayotganlar ham bor. Which is true. All right. 4 esa not given bor. 4 not given, not given, not given, not given, not given. Ko'pchilik to'g'ri tanlayapti. To'ppa-to'g'ri. Bizada javob 5. Mana 4 not given, 4 not given sababi aytyapti, bu yoqda Azteklar kakaoni donlarini, kakao daraxtidan olinayotgan don deymiz, nima deymiz bilmayman. Ularni currency sifatida ishlatgan va даже soliqlar ham shunda to'langan. Lekin soliq ular ko'p soliq talab qildimi, kam soliq talab qildimi, u haqida gap yo'q. Shu uchun not given. Keyingisi esa false, chunki ular faqat boylargina ichgan ekan. Uni chocolate degan ekan, endi chokoladda. Shundan chokolad so'zi kelib chiqqan ekan. So corrupted the chocolate, which English subsequently changed to chocolate. Bo'ldi. Hamma true false not given savollarni tushundimi, nima uchun? True false not given savollarni. Exactly, let's move on. Xo'p, davom etamiz. Mana har doimgidek orderda ketyapti hamma narsa. Orderda keldi, to'ppa-to'g'ri. Chocolate was brought back to Spain in the early 16th century by Spanish explorers who at first found the Aztec drink distasteful because of its bitterness. Boshida yoqmagan ekan ularga, chunki achchiq ekan. However, they learned to improve its taste by mixing the ground roasted beans with sugar and vanilla. Chocolate factories established in Spain. All right, javob, 6 savol javob nima bo'ldi? 6 savol javobi. Exactly. Most of you guys are right. Bitterness. All right, bitterness. Chunki ko'pchilik bitterness uchun yoqtirmagandi. Keldilarni unga nima qo'shdi? Ingredient so'zining o'rniga sugar bilan vanillani qo'shdi. Shuning uchun 6-chi savolning javobi. Xo'p. Chocolate factories were established in Spain by the early 19th century, 17th century. Chocolate powder was being exported to other parts of Europe. The Spanish kept the source of the drink, the beans, a secret for many years, so successfully, in fact, that when the English pirates boarded the Spanish ship, they thought carried great treasure and only found load of cacao beans. They burned the ship in frustration. If only they had known chocolate at that time was extremely valuable. Chocolate houses haqida gap bormi? And the chocolate powder was being exported. The Spanish kept the houses a secret. Chocolate houses haqida gap yo'q, I'm sure, right? Okay, man, keyingi gapda bor ekan. Keyingi paragrafda. Beshta o'qib bo'ldik-ku, beshta javob not given bo'ldik-ku. False bo'ldik-ku. Within a few years, cacao beverage produced in Spain was sought after throughout Europe. Keyin nima qilgan? Hamma izlab boshladi cacao. First chocolate house in England opened in 60, followed by many others. These establishments were used as clubs. That means social degani. Wealthy people could meet to talk to their friends and discuss business over a cup of chocolate. All right, and other activities. The first recorded instance of chocolate being in solid form occurred. Yes, social. Mana oila a'zolari bilan gaplashish. Bu nima bo'ladi? Social bo'ladi. Business and other activities. Business bo'ldi. 7-chi savol javobi. All right. The first recorded instance degan holat degani of chocolate being eaten in the solid qattiq ko'rinishda yeyilishi. Baker in England when cacao in mid 1600s. Demak, bu 8-chi savolda ham javob chiqdi. Nima bo'ldi 8-chi savolda javobi? Discuss qani dedi kimdir. Nima degan discuss qani? Zoom user. What is there? Baker. So a baker, so the answer is baker and baker, right? Hope in 1820 Dutch chemist Johannes invented a method of extracting the bitter from the roasted beans. His aim was to make cacao drink smoother and more palatable and delicious again. However, I know only he paved the way for chocolate bar that we consume today. But hozir biz consume qilayotgan narsani yeb qo'yibdi. U ham bo'lsa, 9-chi savol javobi nima bo'ldi? Exactly. Xo'p, business xato deyapsiz, nima demoqchimiz? Zoom user nima demoqchisiz? Chocolate bar. All right. So yes, hozirgi biza enjoy qilayotgan chocolate barni, shuni ayting, 9ni tushunmadim deng, qarang, 7ni. Mana 7ga qaytamiz. These establishments housesga sinonim bo'ladi. Were used as clubs degani, to talk to their friends degani, for social degani, and to discuss business. Endi mana bu joyda virgul qo'yibdidan for social business and other activities. Mana social activities desam bo'ladimi? Bo'ladi. Business activities desam bo'ladimi? Bo'ladi. Other activities desam bo'ladimi? Bo'ladi. To'g'rimi? Mana bu tanlayotgan so'zingiz mana yozib qo'ydim. Grammatik jihatdan, collocation jihatdan, logika jihatdan to'g'ri kelishi kerak. Odamlar kelib bir-biri bilan biznes haqida gaplashgan ekanmi? Tushundingizmi? Can you explain 5 to goes the endi kimdir? Qaray, eshitib turamiz, do'stlar, eshitib turamiz. Boshqa sizdan boshqa odamlar ham bor. Right? Mana boya ham aytdik, Cacao Aztec. Qarang, Azteclar beansdan beverage qildi degan, beverage degan drink degan. Va ular faqat boylagina deyapti, boylagina. Mana bu joyda ham ko'rib ketuvdik o'zi. Boylar ichayotgan ekan. Bu yerda oddiy odamlar deyapti. Faqat ritualda, ma'rakada deydi-ku, biza tomonda eventlarda. All right, event bo'ladimi? Xo'p, tushundingizmi 5-chi savolni? Did you understand? Okay, I'm gonna move on. In their what? In the early 18th century, certain companies owned by prominent English families, including Fyers and Rowans, began making chocolate. William chocolate başladı. Many of these chocolate factory owners were noticed for their enlightened treatment of employees. Employee'larni yaxshi treat qilgan ekan, yaxshi. Providing not just jobs but also facilities. All right? Ular o'zlariga hatto maktablar ham qurib bergan ekan. So, many English producers provide variety of facilities for kim uchun? For housing uchun emas, kimdir uchun, odam kerak bizga. Odam, do'stlar, odam kerak. Kimga qilib bergan bularni? Employeesga. All right? Employees. So javob employees bo'ldi. Employeelarni yaxshi treat qilgan ekan. Bu yoqdagi bizadagi facilities so'ziga sinonimni aytingchi, facilities sinonim qanaqalar? Variety of qanaqa facilitylar qilib beribdi? Qanaqa facilitylar qilib beribdi? Housing and schools. Housing and schools. In fact, the Canterbury Company constructed a large purpose-built town in the production of chocolate. Bizga u qismini o'qimasak ham bo'ladi. Chunki oxirgi savol to'g'ri qoldi. Producing chocolate is a time-consuming, complicated process. After being harvested and separated from the pods which contain them, the beans are allowed to ferment, and dried in the sun or artificially using. So nima bo'lar ekan? Javob 11 savol javob chiqdi. 11 savolni javobi chiqdi mana shu joyda. 11 savol javobi. Exactly, ko'pchilik to'g'ri tanladingiz. Dried bo'ladi, endi tushuntiramiz. Qarang. Ferment bo'lingandan keyin separated, right? Ferment and dried in the sun degan naturally ga sinonim bo'ladi. Artificially degani mechanically ga sinonim bo'ladi. Xo'p, after the beans are roasted according to various formulas which affect the flavor of the final product. Demak, undan keyin 12 savol javobi nima bo'ldi? 12 savol javobi 12 savol. Beans then roasted. All right? Roasted. And flavor is synonym for taste. Then the beans are lightly crushed. The outer layer of the shell discarded. And the internal kernel or nib returned. At this point, the nibs, which contain high quantities of fat known as cacao butter, may be treated to develop their favorite clover. The nibs are then finally ground. In the grinding process, kit is produced, which liquefies the product into substance called liquor. So the answer for question number 13 is going to be what? 13. Liquor, all right? Produced substance called liquor. So, hop, endi biza nima qilamiz? Har doimgidek paraphrase table deb tuzamiz, do'stlar. Paraphrase table. Hop, paraphrase table deb tuzsak bo'ladi. Kim meni qo'shilyapti? Shu paytda. Endi stilistik jihatdan anaqa-ku. Nima deydi? Bu flowchart-ku. Bir. Hop, seasonal variation so'zini o'rniga. Seasonal variation so'zini o'rniga nima degan so'z keldi? Ideal so'zini o'rniga, ideal so'zi ham bor. Ideal so'zini o'rniga seasonal year round. Past perfect. Okay. First people to cultivate. Cultivate so'zini o'rniga cultivate so'zini o'rniga bu yerda grow degan so'z ishlatibdi. All right? Which Uchinchi savolda qarang. Location of homeland menda from elsewhere. Obtain from elsewhere go. Obtain from elsewhere go nima bo'ladi? Elsewhere. Acquire. Acquire through trade or force. Hop, king esa 4. Not given 5. While ordinary citizens. Ordinary citizens o'rniga 5 ordinary citizens o'rniga contradiction bor edi. Wealthy ga degan joyi bor edi. 6. Ingredients so'zini o'rniga sugar and vanilla so'zlari bor edi. 7. Business activity. Social so'zini o'rniga talk to family degan so'z bor edi. 8. Edible chocolate so'zini o'rniga bor edi. Edible chocolate. Eaten. Edible so'zini o'rniga eaten so'zini ishlatibdi. 9. Creation of chocolate bar. Paved the way. Leading to ga sinonim bor ekan. Lead to ga sinonim pave the way. 10. Facilities so'zini o'rniga variety of facilities o'rniga housing and schools debdi. 11. Naturally so'zini o'rniga in the sun debdi. Mechanically so'zini o'rniga esa using machines degan so'z bor edi. Using machines. 12. Taste so'zini o'rniga flavor so'zi bor edi. 13-savolda grinding of the nibs o'rniga grinding process generated bir xil ekan. Produced generated so'zini o'rniga produced so'zi ishlatibdi. All right, mana bu bizning paraphrase table'imiz. So I think everything is clear, right?